Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into Collectr, a powerful app made for people who collect trading card games. If you have a collection of TCG cards, whether Magic, The Gathering, Pokémon, YuGiOh, or more, this app is designed to help you manage it all in one place. Collectr works as a next-generation portfolio manager for your card collection. Rather than using spreadsheets or scattered tools, you can use this app to track raw cards, graded cards, and even sealed products. It gives you a real sense of your collection's value in real time. One of the most important features of Collectr is its large database. The app supports a huge catalog of products, with over 200,000 items in its library for many different TCGs. This means you can search for your exact cards, add them to your collection, and not worry about missing key pieces. Collectr also tracks the value of your cards as a portfolio. It shows how much your collection is worth, how its value changes with market trends, and which cards are your biggest gainers or losers. A very useful feature is the multi-currency support. Whether you want to see your card value in your local currency or even in crypto, Collectr gives you that flexibility. If you're into trading, Collectr recently introduced a trade analyzer. This tool helps you assess whether a trade is fair or in your favor, making trading much smarter and more transparent. For those who love to find cards quickly, Collectr provides a scanning feature so you can scan real physical cards to add them. This makes entering new cards into your portfolio way faster. Some users say the scan function works really well and is a big help. But it's not all perfect. Some users report that scanning can be glitchy, or that the app sometimes misidentifies cards, which is a problem if you rely on scans. Others mention that certain advanced features are locked behind a subscription. Also, some users complain about bugs like lag or connectivity issues when they try to sync their collection. On the upside, the Collectr interface is clean and user-friendly. Navigating your collection, checking value, or browsing market trends feels intuitive, not overwhelming, which is a plus for both new and veteran collectors. Collectr also supports a wide variety of TCGs: Magic, Pokémon, YuGiOh, Disney Lorcana, Final Fantasy, Star Wars, Dragon Ball, MetaZoo, Funko, Transformers, and more. This versatility is a huge strength, because many collectors hold cards for more than one game. If you're serious about collecting and want an app that helps you not just catalog but also understand the real market worth of your cards, Collectr is a very strong candidate. For casual collectors it's great, and for serious investors it offers insight and tools that can help you make smarter decisions. Give Collectr a try, explore its features, and see how your collection evolves over time.